This is GTA 4 with Zimmer's Graphics Enhancement 2.5. Today I'll show you how to install it easily. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the download option and select start download. Once this download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Go back and copy and paste it in same location and rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder. If you play main GTA 4 game, open this GTA 4 1.0.7.0. If you play episodes from Library City game, then you need to open this GTA 4 EFLC folder. Select all these files using Ctrl+A and then drag and drop inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. I will show you before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.